This is Rocky. He is an American Bulldog Pit Bull mix. He's 1 year old. He likes to play fetch. He loves tug. He would be an excellent running partner. He is very motivated by treats. He has a high chase drive, so he's continuing to work on his impulse control by channeling his energy into fetch and tug games. He knows sits, downs, stands, leave-its. He walks well on the leash, and he loves people.
Good boy.
This is Brody. He's a German Shepherd mix.
16 weeks, big, sweet, goofy love. Loves everybody, cats included, which is a big plus. Likes toys, likes to go on walks, and the best part is he's potty trained and crate trained.
This is Allie. She is a 2-year-old female lab and heeler mix. She gets along with some dogs. She loves people. She knows sit, down, stand. She walks great on a loose leash. She loves to play tennis ball. And she is looking for a forever home. This is a Mocha. He is a male Catahoula mixed dog. He loves people. He gets along fine with other dogs. He is working on his obedience. He knows sit, down, and stand. He's working on stay and waits. His loose leash walking is great. And he is also looking for a forever home.
Good boy, good boy.